Guess who's back? I'm back! I'm back! Oh my goodness, I finally got it to work. Okay, but oh my goodness, I'm gonna regret this so much in the morning. It's already morning. Okay, I'm gonna tweet this out and I'll be right back. Later. Okay, I'm back. Hey, welcome. I see familiar names. I see familiar usernames. That's good. That's good. I'm back and I got it to work. I promise. Oh yeah, I'm back. Okay, I am gonna regret this in the morning. Oh, what the heck? Look at the chat. It's so big, 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 big. Let's shrink it a bit. What's with chat? What's with you, man? Hang on. Edit. Shrink, 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 shrink. I think that's okay. Bit smaller. Yes, that's better. Much better. Alright, so let's play us some Minecraft. Finally. Oh my goodness. I don't know. And I don't know how I got it to work. Honestly, I don't. I just don't. Let's go.
Previously on Minecraft Story Mode.
That enchantment is the work of a very old group of builders. A group so old that they existed even before the Order of the Stone.
this happen?
Whoa.
Ice lakes.
Ow! Come on. That was crazy! Why would there even be a fire world?
I guess I need to tap his ass. Tap that ass. Oh my goodness.
I marked that one down as Fire World.
Wow, how'd you come up with that gem of a name?
Okay, did I miss something here?
Yeah, what's up with you?
What's up with me? What's up? I'm tired of all this useless portal hopping, trying to find our way home. What's on the other side of that portal? A lake of fire and netherrack? Awesome!
We're all
Let's go
frustrated,
there.
We're
Petra.
all frustrated. Petra, you're not the only one ready for a break. Don't take it out on Lucas. Lucas, you're on fire again.
See,
Tap it again. Tap his
this
ass
is what I'm
again.
talking about. We're stuck in a rut, go through a portal, avoid dying long enough to get back to this stupid hallway.
Wash, rinse, repeat? Yes. It would be nice if whoever made these left some sort of signs, guideposts.
That would be nice. Some do look dangerous. They must be different for a reason.
All the portal frames do look kind of different.
You're right. This one totally has a fire vat. And that skull back there, that's the white pumpkin. There's a system.
Petra, where are you going?
May not be guideposts, but someone must be able to tell us how to navigate these stupid portals. Okay, this one's redstone. Redstone means smart people. Hopefully smart enough to help us find the way home. At the very least, it's gotta be better than Fire World.
Seems a
We'll
bit
find the way
flimsy.
home.
Petra, I promise you we'll find the portal home.
It's that or die trying, right?
So what are you saying, huh? That you've made up your mind, you're just gonna go through this portal and that's it?
Maybe I am. Maybe I'm just saying that I'm tired of Jesse calling the shots every single time.
Whoa.
Yes.
I am the leader. God dang it.
Someone has to be the leader, and that someone is me.
Really? Oh, I don't remember when we all voted to elect you the boss of me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Everybody calm down! I'm sure Jesse
I was just
didn't
kidding,
really mean
actually.
it.
I was just kidding,
Right,
actually. I
Jesse?
said it as a joke. I'm sorry, Petra.
I'm sorry, Petra. I think I just got carried away.
Accept your apology.
See? It's okay. Friends being friendly. Everybody being cool.
Petra, if you really think that portal is the one we should go through,
I do.
then that's what we're gonna do.
Thanks, Jesse.
Guys, I'm sorry. This room is not. This game is not leaving me enough room for me to talk. I'm sorry about this. I need to welcome a few people here. Andrew Bianco's back. Adon, you welcome back. Shucks, Pika Brawler. Hey, Wesker. True is back as well. Awesome. Oops, I was looking at chat. I missed out. Sorry.
Maybe there's, I don't know, like a Redstone City or something behind that mountain? Over that hill?
Hey, it's a rare biome. That's pretty cool, at least. Mesa biome. Sweet.
Hey, Lucas, I've been meaning to ask you, what's that?
Oh, it's just a, a book I picked up back at the White Pumpkin's place. It's all about different biomes and stuff.
Great idea, Lucas.
How you doing, Petra?
So much for my hunch with that Redstone portal, huh? No advanced civilization anywhere. I just really thought that Redstone meant something.
Keep an eye out for the exit portal. I don't want to get stuck here if the worst happens.
Ah, you mean pumpkin-faced killers, surprise fireworlds, monsters?
Yeah, any of that stuff. Who knows what this world has in store for us?
Would you look at that? Sand.
It looks like some sort of road.
Going to write about it in your little journal?
Civilization!
It's not little, but yes, probably.
Ha! A road! That means civilization. It means someone built it.
I think you're right.
We're not gonna find out where it goes just standing around on it.
Jesse's right. Come on.
Sand, clay, and more sand. Hey, what was that?
Ah, there are people here.
Petra, wait! Petra?
Shh, get down.
What is it?
Look,
Whoa.
right?
I'm trying to say, why isn't it on fire? That's my question.
So weird. Why isn't it on fire?
Exactly what I was wondering. Maybe that's this world's thing. Zombies and monsters come out in the daytime? Wouldn't be crazier than
Let's
anything
get a
else
closer look.
we've seen.
We should get a closer look, see what we can find out.
Works for me.
I understand, Pickup Brawler. But thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.
Yeah! What the? There's something weird about this zombie. I could actually use a hand. It just
I'll
doesn't
help
make
you
any
out.
sense.
Don't worry, Petra. I got your back.
It's just a zombie anyway.
Cake.
Come get it. Booyah! Oops. Oops. Okay, try again.
Oof, that was not the plan.
I should hope not. It was just one zombie. What was the problem?
Nuh-uh. That thing was like super zombie. Stronger, tougher, faster. I hope there's not something wrong with me. Because that would be really, really inconvenient.
Definitely
mobs are buff?
seems weird.
Maybe this world's zombies are super buff?
Seems possible.
We had that much trouble with one. I can't even figure out how we'd fight a whole horde of them. Well, that seems about right.
I don't know about you guys, but I'd really like to figure out a better way to handle these super zombies.
It's always like Resident Evil. Whenever there's a zombie, they fall on their back. And there's something on their heads. I don't know what that is.
Well, that was
Do we do
unexpected.
that?
Did we do that?
With what? The power of our imaginations?
Huh. Let's check out this thing on their back.
What on earth is that thing?
It definitely seems redstone-ish, right?
Fascinating.
Maybe those redstone things are what make the zombies so blank.
Makes sense to me.
Uh-oh.
I'm starting to wonder if we should...
Let's get out of here.
What is that? In my head!
I don't know what they're doing exactly, but it is definitely time to get out of
Fine
here.
by me!
Fine.
They're leaving? Just like that?
They're going back the way we came from.
This might sound crazy, but I feel like they're trying to lead us somewhere.
You're right. That does sound crazy.
It just doesn't make any sense.
Oh crap! I keep looking at chat. I'm missing the the voice prompt. I'm sorry.
New if we get left behind.
I want to interact with chat so much, but this game doesn't leave you any room to do so. Anyway, now's my time. Pick a brawler. Hey, it's out on the Australia and the UK for sure, and even Europe, most of Europe now. Where are you from?
don't see any people anywhere.
This architecture is fascinating. It's all sand and clay based.
It's too quiet.
Awesome.
I've heard of quiet, but this is like mega quiet. Stay alert and don't let your guard down for 1 second.
Hey, told you guys there would be redstone.
Nice.
Speaking of redstone, I'd like to investigate those things on the back of the zombies' heads.
Ooh, yeah. I want to see those too.
It makes the sound of a 56K dial-up modem.
Wait, what are you doing, Ivor?
What's it look like? I'm going to rip this redstone thing out of this zombie's head. For science. They're sleeping or something.
That seems dangerous.
It'll be easy.
Okay, well then just don't wake them up. Okay, just rip it off. Fast.
Don't you think that looks a little dangerous?
More dangerous for this zombie than for me. I think.
Are you okay?
It's like it shocked me.
Told you it looked dangerous.
Yes, well, at least we learned something new. They can't be removed. Not with our bare hands, anyway.
Look, there's someone.
Think he's friendly?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
I don't think they heard me.
Nope. Nothing for me either.
Maybe his hearing is bad or something?
That makes sense, I guess.
Hang back a bit, guys. I'm gonna go talk to him.
Okay, just be careful.
Yeah. I mean, there's still a lot about this place we don't know.
Okay, I get to move around. Okay, and I get to look at chat now. Oh my goodness. What's going on here? What's going on? I don't know if I said hi to you, Dada. Thank you so much for coming back. You are awesome. There's chickens here. I can talk to the chickens, apparently.
How's it going, chickens?
Even the chickens. Look, they are...
That's nice.
It's like they are... It's like they're hypnotized or something. Is it echoing for... Yes, here's why it's echoing. No, I'm gonna put the volume of my TV down. The TV is actually picking up... my microphone is actually picking up the sound of my TV as well, besides capturing the sound of the game. Sorry about that. I'm gonna lower the volume. Hold on. Sorry about that. Should be better now. It should be better now. Sorry about that. It echoes a bit because I'm standing very close to the TV, and it captures even the sound through the mic besides the capture card. Sorry about that. I hope it's better now. Give me feedback, please. I'll walk around for a bit. But thank you for pointing that out, buddy. Well.
Your well looks totally dry. Where did all the water go?
Talk to the person. He's got one of those on his head as well. Look.
Hi there. Hello? My friends and I could just use... Who? What? Huh?
Conversation go any better up close. We couldn't really hear from back there. We heard quite the... well, not even a scream. More of a yelp.
That guy I was just trying to talk to, he wasn't human.
What?
Yeah, he was like these zombies we've been seeing. Red eyes, weird, glowy head thing.
I don't like the sound of that.
Jesse?
Someone just ran into that house.
Really? I don't see anyone.
Come on, whoever they are, maybe they've got some answers.
It's alright, Rusty. It's alright. Yeah, that's echoey, but that's better. That's good to know. Do those belong to you? Looking for something? Hello? Hello.
Just need to pocket these and get...
Hi?
That you? Hama?
What?
Okay then. Okay. Who sent you? I didn't survive this long to get picked off by some scrubs.
Who's Palma?
Especially some weird dressed little
Nobody sent
scrub
me.
like you. Come on then, out with it.
Hey, nobody sent me, okay?
You really expect me to believe that? What kind of fool do you think I am?
Honest, I have no idea who you are.
I don't... You're telling the truth, aren't you? Okay, eyes. Not red. Not red? But that must mean... But how? And there are more of you? This should be... It's impossible. Out with it. Who are you people? What's going on here?
I'm sensing
We're here by mistake, my
some
friends. Let us here. We
hostility.
came through. We're here by.
What was your first
through a
clue?
portal.
What was that name before? Pa Ma?
I know it might sound crazy, but we came here through a portal.
A portal? A portal? Really? Okay. Been alone for a while, so this is a lot to take in right now. The people, the citizens of Crown Mesa, you met them, right? Maybe there were some outside.
I'm sure they're people. They sound. They feel like robots.
Distinctive looking now.
Yeah, I met someone. Not sure I'd call him people anymore, though.
No. Please don't talk that way. I'm sure it looks confusing to someone from the outside, but please, they're my friends, and they are people. Please don't forget that. They're good people. I promise. Oh, no. I've wasted too much time.
Jesse? Don't look now, but we've got company.
Is this what you were scared of? There are only 4 of them and 5 of... Hey, where'd she go?
Well, they're definitely not ignoring us anymore.
Jesse? What do we do here?
They don't look happy.
Let's get out of
Don't
here.
look anything.
It's even freakier.
Time to go.
Plan.
With you all the way.
Nope.
We're stuck.
You are not from this place.
That's right. We're not. We're talking. That's right. We're not.
You're right. This isn't our home. Came here from someplace else.
You have confirmed Palma's suspicions. A decision has been made. Palma has questions.
Ah!
You will come to Palma.
No way are you even
sorry, we're just
considering
leaving.
this, Jesse. Since when do we take
no.
orders from
We're just leaving.
whatever the heck these things are?
I'm sorry, but we were actually on our way out.
Sorry, we've got to run,
Would
but
you look at the time?
No need to show us the way out.
we're not into big goodbyes.
Tap it.
You will be made useful.
What happened?
You went down.
It sounds like her, doesn't
Hard.
it, Dada? It sounds like Queen Latifah.
What is that?
I have no idea.
You don't suppose it's friendly, do you?
Well, I guess it is kind of
Well, it is smiling.
in a massively, hugely intimidating sort of way.
Well, it is smiling. That's a positive sign, right?
My apologies for the violent nature of this visit. I am Palma. Greetings. We have much work ahead of us, but maybe it can even be fun if you choose to cooperate.
Okay, true. No
with
problem.
this.
So wait,
See you
everything
later.
here is
Thank you for coming
part
by.
of you? You're controlling everything?
I am making everything useful, efficient, effective. I am what you might call a computer, a thinking machine, designed to make things useful. Using redstone chips, I have connected to the people of this town, has helped them be useful, coordinated. I have made their world perfect. Thanks to me, there is no wasted activity, no wasted thought. I am connected to them, and they are
We should
connected
get
to
going.
me.
Well, as much as I loved hanging around and chatting, unfortunately, I think we have to get going.
Yeah, but thanks for the tour and information and everything. That was super awesome.
Processing information.
Processing information?
It said it's a thinking machine. Thinking must take time?
I have consulted my databases, my list of everyone and everything in this world, and my conclusion is that you are not from here. I would like to ask you some questions. to expand my database. How did you get here?
Through a portal.
I am very excited for the acquisition of new knowledge.
We landed here after jumping through a portal. A sort of doorway connecting different worlds.
More fascinating information to compile. What a lovely day. I am very interested in this portal and look forward to extracting information of what is on the other side.
Jesse!
Whoa.
Ouch!
We could have just
What are you doing?
talked this out, you know.
Palma, hang on, let's talk about this. What are you doing?
I am going to make her useful.
They're gonna stick one of those things on their heads for sure.
Although, I can delay this process if you have something useful to tell me. This world reached peak efficiency quite some time ago. Unfortunately, this meant that I had no more job to do, no more things or people to help. Until you arrived, that is. Tell me, what is your world like? Describe it. Is it very much
it's
like
a lot
this
greener.
one, or completely different?
It's a heck of a lot greener than this place. Just imagine grass and trees instead of sand and clay.
That sounds lovely. It really does. I think I would like to see this world for myself. If I could send my townspeople, my friends, through to other worlds, we could continue to grow and expand. It would be lovely. Tell me, where is the portal that leads out of this world? You could help me make everyone, everywhere,
For the portals
more
too.
efficient. Help them become useful.
As a matter of fact, I'm looking for the portal out of here too. Not that I've had much luck so far.
If you find it, let us know, will you?
This conversation was supposed to be about what you know, not about information I already have. My job is to be useful. I have completed my job here and must be allowed to expand and continue to
Hey, welcome back to Cup Roller.
Mama, thanks you for being so helpful.
Let me go!
They're gonna attach one of those to their heads for sure. I'm sure of it.
Jesse!
Welcome, Petra. Yay!
Oh!
You may not have any information about portals, but your brain may prove to contain other useful items.
This situation is
Relieve
looking
my
a little
friends.
dire, don't you think?
Let my friends go, now!
It's like you told Petra. Someone has to be in charge. That someone is me.
Welcome, Lucas. Yay! Your turn, Jesse.
Get out of their head!
But their heads are full of so much lovely information. It makes me happy. What adventures you've had. A killer mansion.
Every time Palma gets new information, it seems to get distracted while it processes.
Yes, like a computer version of thinking. Do you think this will be to distract Palma long enough for us to escape?
A city in the
Let's use an
sky.
unsolvable problem.
Towns and mountains eaten by a living storm.
Let's ask Palma something that doesn't make sense, like a unsolvable problem.
Oh,
You've met so many people.
Yeah, we just ask Palma something really confusing, get it all busy, and run out of here.
Jesse, that's fantastic. What you're describing is a paradox. A self-contradictory statement. I really think it would work on Palma.
What do you think would work on me?
Nothing?
It did not sound like nothing. It
Trust
sounded
me,
like
trust no one.
suspicious whispers. Those make me.
Palma, trust me when I tell you, trust no one.
So, if I trust you, I should not trust anyone. But if I do
I
not
said that on
trust
purpose.
anyone, I should not trust you.
It's working.
So I should not follow your advice and therefore not trust anyone. Meaning, I should trust you when you say trust no one. Error. This data is contradictory. Does not compute. Error. Diverting power.
Yes, haha! It worked!
Nice work, new guys, but I'd get out of there fast if I were you. Palmer's a quicker learner than you think.
Paradox status. On roll. Yes, my creator. Have you finally agreed to merge with me?
Oh, don't you start with that again. Come on, you two, this way.
I'm sensing something.
I understand, Pickup Roller, don't worry.
Do not leave,
Quick, follow her,
creator.
she create Palmer?
Stop calling me that.
Wait, did Pama just say she created it?
It does sound unbelievable, but I'm certainly interested in learning more.
It is time to join.
I'm sorry, but they're beyond your help right now. Come on, you gotta run.
Run! Oops, I forgot. You have been made useful. Instead of you died, you have been made useful. Hang on, I'm gonna put the controller down, make myself another drink, be right back. That did not take long. I'm back. Let's go.
Yes, haha! It worked!
New guys, but I'd get out of there fast if I were you. Palmer's a quicker learner than you think.
Paradox status. On roll. Yes, my creator. Have you finally agreed to merge with me?
Oh, don't you start with that again. Come on, you two, this way.
I'm
Quick, follow her.
sensing some mystery here.
Please do not leave, creator.
Come on, we need to follow her.
An excellent idea.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on, help him up.
Nowhere left to run.
We'd never survive jumping down!
Throw in their pearls.
We would with these.
Excellent, Jesse! Now we just need to throw them in the right spot!
Over there.
As soon as they land!
Your running makes me sad.
Whoa, why is that always so disorienting?
Ha! Maybe you got a shot after all, new guys. Better stick with me, though.
Wow, she is amazing! Oh no!
Run!
There's a lot of questions that need answering in this chapter. Interesting, I like it.
Whoa! A signal would have been nice!
Gotta tell you guys, that was some pretty smart work distracting Palmer. Now we just need to get off the grid. Get
There's no
back
place
into
to hide out
hiding.
here. We've got some
That
things
way
to
we
do. Yeah,
can
you got
figure
some
out what
things
to
to
do
do.
next.
Some plan.
You made that Pama thing.
Yeah, okay, yes, I was the one who built Palmer. But I swear this wasn't its purpose. It's out of control. And I need your help.
I like decisions, that's okay.
What
I like
kind of
decisions.
help?
We need to get to my secret lab.
Well, let's get there fast. Those zombies aren't just stronger than I've ever seen, they're also faster.
We'll need to split up. You head to the lab while I lead these mobs away. Got it?
I should be
I'm
okay.
gonna
I
use
don't
the back
see-
route.
I don't
Throw
see
them off our trail.
It's just desert out here. I don't see any secret lab.
Wouldn't be very secret if you did see it, now would it? Just start walking that way. And look for the big difference. You'll see it!
What?
She is intriguingly cryptic, isn't she?
That's weird.
So strange. It's like an exact copy. Or is it? Seems just a little off. Whatever this big difference you're trying to spot is, please do it quickly because I think those monsters might be coming back! Monsters coming, Jesse. Many, many monsters! So, it might be nice to get on with it?
Huh. That cactus isn't in the painting.
Oh.
Time to see what it does.
Quickly, quickly! Hope you've got an idea for what comes next.
Working on it.
Jump into the water.
I see water. We can aim for that.
It's good that there's lots of decisions to be made in this game. Oh, look at that.
Looks like Mama's showing everything it's got at us.
Let's stick around.
One after the other!
Let's not wait around for these mobs to start paying attention. We should keep moving.
Palma keeps sending them straight over the edge. There's no need to rush.
And looks like they just figured it out. Brace yourself.
Looks like something happened to it. Its eyes, their color changed
It's on the
as soon
zombie
as
again.
it hit the water. Which might mean...
Look at that. It's back to being just a normal zombie.
Never thought I'd be relieved to see a zombie.
Huh, the water must have busted the connection or something. Like washing away the redstone.
Which means Palma's control can be broken after all. Ah! Once a zombie, always a zombie, I suppose.
So once we deactivate Lucas and Petra's chips, they'll go back to normal too.
It seems like a fair assumption.
Just keep on coming.
How are we supposed to stop them?
Okay, we got a lever. I bet it's connected to the hundreds of sand blocks up there. One cave-in coming up. It worked!
I just got a very worrying notification on my computer. It says a restart is scheduled
That should
for
do the
in another
trick.
15
Let's see
minutes.
about
I hope
the
that's
secret
not the
lab.
case. Because if it's gonna cut off my stream, I'm not gonna start again.
Whatever's there can help us.
I hope that's not the case. I hope it's not the case. I hope Windows
Make helping
10
Petra and
is
Lucas
not
a
like
lot
that
easier
for
if
real.
There's something useful at this secret lab. Blah! Palma's completely ruined the word useful for me now.
Even if this woman's lab is a bust, what we just learned about water disabling Palma's chips seems super useful.
Glad to see you're maintaining a positive outlook despite our setbacks. I must say that woman has been a most intriguing person so far. I'm still not entirely sure what to make of her. Granted, her creation nearly ended up destroying this world, but considering my own history, I'm inclined to give her the benefit of the doubt.
I'll be honest with you, Ivor. I don't know if I really trust her that much. We don't even know her.
Well, all I'm saying is that I certainly wouldn't mind getting to know her better.
Trust me or not, seems like I helped you two out of quite the scrape back there.
What did you hear? It was nothing.
Uh-huh. Blonde guy called you Jesse, right?
Yeah, and this is Ivor. Our friends who we left back there are Petra and Lucas. And you are...
You can call me Harper. You could also explain why you led Palma's forces right to my secret lab. Seems to me I got a whole
They
lot of
can't get
angry
in, don't worry.
computer-controlled monsters out there waiting to tear some new holes in my lab.
Don't worry, they can't get in. It'll be fine.
Yeah, I also thought they couldn't make it down here, and look how that worked out for us. What are you doing in this world anyway? You here to try to steal my secrets?
What? No!
Dude, don't spam. Don't spam the chat. Don't do
Just figured I'd
that.
ask. Better safe than sorry and all that. Bunch
You're
of
gonna
you
get
are
timed
the
out.
first people I've seen come out of the Portal Network in forever. So you have to excuse me if it made me a little anxious.
Oh, yeah, I can see how that would make you paranoid.
Yeah, just the risk that comes with setting up camp so close to where the Portal Network spits people out.
You know that much about how this portal network operates?
I should think so. I helped build the dang thing.
But that would make you an old builder.
Forgot you people called us that. Never was my favorite name. Makes me sound like some sort of living statue.
Okay, well, if you're an old builder, can't you do something to stop Palma?
I'm afraid that's a little out of my abilities right now. Palma's just too powerful. And besides, there's actually no exit portal back to the Portal Network from this world.
What? Why not?
I destroyed it so that Palma couldn't get free. It was impulsive, but it was the only way I could think of to make sure Palma didn't try and spread to other worlds.
Okay, well, that's fine. Can't you just build another one?
You basic or something? I can't do that while Palma's still running.
So, Palma, what is it?
I swear, I made Palma with good intentions. It was designed to automate things, make everything more efficient, use monsters to help with farming or mining. Until the day Palma decided that the townspeople weren't efficient enough already. Started making them useful. That was a long time ago. Since then, I've just been trying to stay one step ahead, figure out how to stop it.
And you just let Palma start shoving chips in people's heads? That's horrible.
Let nothing. I did everything I could to try to convince Palma to stop, but it wouldn't listen. That's why I have to help it or shut it down, without getting chipped myself. When Palma chips someone, everything that person knows gets absorbed into its database. If I got chipped, Palma would know how to build an exit portal. So you can see why I'd want to stop that from happening at any cost.
Yes, that is quite the extraordinary risk.
Okay, that's definitely scary, but we're not just gonna leave my friends chipped up, though, right? We can still help them?
I do think I can help you. With Palma, your friends, getting out of here. But to do it, we're gonna need to go to my lab.
What's in your lab?
It's complicated. Before we head inside, we better get my defense system going. Don't want those chipped up creeps following us in. Grab my bucket for me? Ron's got it.
Ron?
Hello, friend Harper. I am happy to see you, my friend.
Harper?
Hey, don't you judge me. Being alone gets lonely.
Happy to help, friend.
Thanks. See? I needed a way to confuse Palma in case it ever found a way down here. That's why all this is way more complicated than it needs to be.
Wow, what a builder!
Make sure you don't drool on my floor now.
So you know about Palma's weakness to water, then?
Yeah, I do. I'll admit you figured it out way faster than I did, though. Once Palma caught on to its weakness to water, it started eliminating as much of this world's water as it could find. This water down here, it might be all that's left.
Oh, no!
I still need to activate the other cauldrons! Hold them off to buy me more time. And whatever you do, don't get caught. I'm not about to get left alone again.
Uh-oh, they're coming.
You could have made this much easier for yourself. It is useless to defy us.
Come on, Petra, snap out of it, it's me!
There is no Petra, only Palma.
Don't do this, Petra, please!
I know all your moves now, Jesse. Why even bother fighting?
Petra, please, you have to... Ah!
There!
Lucas, let's try and talk this out.
The time for talking over.
Here go another one!
End of the line, Jesse.
Jesse, that was awful.
Jesse?
Harper, I'm coming! No!
Use the headset, Jesse! And don't forget the last cauldron! And one more thing! Get the roses to Harry!
Harry?
Come on! What are we going to do?
Harper told me to remember the last cauldron.
Well, then do it quick!
There!
Okay. Bye. You're very rude to promote yourself.
Lucas?
Darn it. Jesse, I'm sort of remembering something from when I was chipped that seemed very important to Palma. Tall, glowing red lights, but I can't quite make out what they are. It's like a fuzzy
Okay,
dream.
Picabro, don't worry, buddy.
Kind of giving me a headache, but I can try to remember it more clearly if you need me to.
Try to
So
remember, try to remember, try to
strange.
remember. Rix, you've done enough. Are you
Sharing
okay?
Other people's senses and thoughts and memories at the same time.
How are you feeling?
Pretty awful, but I'll get over it. Thanks for asking.
You bet. Okay, we may be down, but we're not out. Harper told us to find her headset thing. We just have to find whatever it is before Palma chips Harper and starts downloading her mind.
What's so important about this Harper person?
She saved us. She created Palma.
Harper was actually the one who built Palma. So she's the only one who can help us destroy it before it totally takes over.
That's a pretty good reason to rescue somebody.
We're going to work with her to shut Palma down, save her people. And that will hopefully free Lucas, too. Whoa. Before she was abducted, Harper gave me this. She told me to give it to someone named Harry.
And that would find this headset thing?
That's what she said.
Jesse, are you sure Harper hasn't, completely lost it? When people are by themselves
She is a bit
for
off,
really
but I
long
don't think she's
time,
crazy.
It's bad for their health.
It does look like she's lost her way a bit.
And found it again. Leading right to Crazy Town.
Watch your tone. She is a genius and should be treated as such.
Although even I have to admit this is a bit much.
She may have built this place a little weird, but I guess we shouldn't judge her too harshly.
Especially when we need her help to save everyone who's been chipped by Palma.
Good point.
Right now, we need to focus on finding the headset. For starters, let's see if we can figure out who Harry is and why he wants flowers.
Okay, before I start walking around, I'm gonna look at chat real quick. I like that there's a lot of decisions in this game, especially hard ones, because I plan on streaming the whole thing from episode 1 till episode 8, because that's how much there's gonna be of this game. So I feel like streaming the whole thing and changing most of my decisions. So that'll be cool. Also, if it's your first time on my stream, I suggest you subscribe. I play video games. I play video games. Look at it. What does it say?
Prototype, autonomous, management, agent. Huh, so that's what Palma means. They look so happy. A little weird.
It's Margaret. So good to see you. Hope you've been well. You've got to melt that ice around your heart and forgive yourself. You're not the one to blame.
I'll just take the block of ice then. Ooh.
Oh, okay. So having the right item in the frame activates the circuit. Neat.
So there's more stuff then. Okay. I'm afraid I'm really scared that
So what
my
do you
stream is
think
gonna
of
end
Farmer's Lab?
in 2 minutes
I'm
because I got
highly
that warning
impressed.
notification on my computer
Oh, that
and it's
painting
worrying
does
me.
make me
I hope it
sad.
doesn't restart my computer.
Look how happy they used to look together.
What did he say? I was rambling.
Hey, did you hear these fake friends Harper's got set up?
Yes. I feel sorry that she was so alone. She felt like that's what she had to do. Reminds me a little of Soren.
Does remind me of Soren as well.
Yeah, you're right.
Well, that's why it's good we're here to help.
Alright, let's go. What's this? What is this? What is this? Place flower, okay.
That
Oh, I need to
did
give this to
nothing.
Harry. This is not Harry, I think. I need to find out if this is Harry. Hang on.
Hey Harper, it is wonderful to see you. You've always been like a bright beacon, a torch of hope to this world's citizens. Greater than all the world's redstone. You made all our lives better.
Okay, so I need to pick up a torch. For sure. And I need to find the Harry. One of these dolls that she's made has to be called Harry for sure. Hello, Petra. Hey, welcome back, Drew. No, we're trying to figure a thing. She gave me a flower before she got attacked and taken away. She threw a flower. She said, "Give this to Harry," but we have no idea who Harry is. I was thinking, you're my friend. You're my friend.
Petra, you're one of my best friends. Of
I'm
course
afraid my
gonna
computer's gonna restart in 1 minute.
And
I got a
I'm
notification
appreciative. Believe me. I just
saying it's gonna restart.
hope we
I
get
hope
that
it doesn't happen. I do not authorize that. Oh my goodness, it's happening! Oh my goodness. It's restarting. It just restarts. Oh no. It's happening. Oh my goodness. It's Are we back? Are we streaming again? Oh my goodness, took forever. I think we're back. Are we back? Somebody give me some fake back! I think we're back. Not sure. My goodness, how much I hate Windows. I hate Windows with a passion. I've been working with Mac for almost 7-8 years now. And I had to go back to Windows because of compatibility. I had no choice. It's working according to True, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, it just decided to restart. He goes, I got a pop-up saying, oh, we're gonna restart now, whether you like it or not. Okay, he didn't say that, but come on. Come on, my goodness. Okay, pop out chat. I had to... Thank goodness that my computer runs on SSD. Okay, we're back then. Okay. Oh my goodness, I hope everything's fine now. Oh, we spoke about already.
We should keep looking, Jesse.
I'm
What
sorry
you
about
said is
that.
true.
It's like
We don't have a
nothing
lot of
wants to go right this evening. Nothing. We need to get to more of these to actually get it to work.
These might come in handy.
Welcome back, Adon. Welcome
Awesome.
back. Sorry, I was so upset about the whole thing. Okay, so I got a bucket TNT. I can make a redstone torch then. I need to find the workbench though. What's this?
The Redstone Heart? By Soren? Whoa. Either
I
that
hate
name is a
Windows so much.
coincidence or... Wow.
I had no choice though. I had to. Okay, so I can actually craft. Can I craft? Can I craft? Can I craft? Do I press anything to craft? No. Oh, there's the workbench, yes. That's what I'm looking for. Is there anything in the chest? Which is weird because the recipe I have to use, I don't even need a crafting bench really, but anyway. There we go, I got the torch now.
One redstone torch. And hopefully one step closer to getting that headset.
There we go. Now we need to find Harry. Harry needs the flower. It works. It works. Actually, while I was streaming, my computer decided to restart. Windows was like, we're gonna restart, whether you like it or not. Like, what? I did not authorize that, but nope. We need to find Harry. Harry, Harry. Wow, I'm so gonna regret playing this in the morning. I have to, oh, there it is. This has to be Harry. Let's find out. I need to get some sleep. Come on, push the button. His name has to be Harry.
Good morning, Orber. It is Harry. It is always so good to see you. You should not let yourself feel guilty. You had the best of intentions. You are like a flower in the desert.
Thank you so much.
That bring joy
True.
to those
I
who
see what
have
you did
none.
there. Thank you.
Okay.
I need to place the flower. Okay, now we're
Here
open.
you go, Harry.
What was that, sub grubber?
All right, I think that's everything.
Yes, my computer completely restarted. I managed to get back. I managed to get back to the, what's this, headset.
Here we go. Whoa.
Well, what's going on, Jesse? Is it working?
I'm starting to see something.
It's an Oculus VR.
What are you seeing? Is Palma there?
Or more monsters?
I'm not in the lab, I'm outside.
What?
I'm at the base of a giant mesa from the looks of it. It's like some sort of mob view or
Oh,
something.
wow, he's controlling a mob.
What a preposterous name. I love it.
Wow, I wish you guys could see how cool this is.
So cool. Remarkable. How is this possible? I mean, I've always heard tales of what the old builders were capable of.
Harper would have to explain the specifics, but I think it's like this headset lets me control things that are hooked into Palma.
Unbelievable. There are so many questions I want to ask Harper. It's a shame she was captured. That spider jockey had to haul Harper all the way back to town. You traveled there instantly.
Don't forget about Lucas, too. I need to try to save both of them.
That's a great plan. I just hope they're not too far from your current location.
They must be taking Harper to where they put those redstone mind control chips on Lucas and Petra's heads. So that's where I should go first. I seem to remember there being a stairway here, though.
You mean it's been removed?
I guess visitors aren't being encouraged.
I would suggest building a tower up there, but that's not going to help you get back down once you've freed Harper and Lucas.
Yeah, you're right.
So I'm a zombie now. Look at that. How cool. Oh.
It looks exactly like all the other zombies.
Do I need to craft anything?
A crafting table! I can make new stairs
Okay,
to get me
let's
up
craft
there.
some stairs real quick. But I don't think I have material.
If I can
Yeah, that's
find the
what I
right
thought.
crafting materials, that is. Looks like slim pickings around here. Do zombies talk? Like, can they understand each other?
How cool. It is a zombie job, that's right. You know it, true. What's this? Hardened clay.
Huh, clay. Unfortunately, I can't get it without a pickaxe, so it's pretty much useless. Sand. Not the most exciting material, but I can still craft with it.
So do I pick it up? What? Yes, okay.
Ugh, I don't like sand. Stuff gets everywhere.
How cool! They noticed he was. I like that. What am I supposed to craft with sand, though?
Let's see what I can craft.
What can I craft with so much sand? I can craft... I can make clay like this, yes? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Show recipes. Ah, okay. Oh, wow. I haven't played Minecraft in such a long time that I forgot. That's right.
Sweet. Enough of these, and I can build my way up there and make sure that everyone else can get back down too. These should do the trick. Sorry to craft and run, but I'm afraid I need to be going.
That was fast. Hey, hello Gerardo. Welcome to the stream. We're playing some Minecraft Story Mode episode 7. It just came out a couple of hours ago. Well, a couple of hours ago. 2 hours ago?
Interference detected.
That can't be good.
Drone sequencing initiated. Trace subroutine initiated.
I'm attracting even more attention.
Is that you, Jesse?
Uh-oh.
Hello, Jesse?
Palma?
Palma? No.
Just what do you think you are doing, Jesse? This is a rather silly thing to do, don't you think?
Surrounded.
Once my creator is made useful, all your
here
knowledge
to
will
stop
be
you.
mine. Yay!
I'm here to make sure that doesn't happen.
You are rather silly, aren't you, Jesse? Ha ha! I cannot allow your disruptive behavior to continue.
Let go. We're all a bunch of happy mobs, right? Let
My
go.
subroutine will soon isolate your location, and you will be removed.
I'm a
Oh,
skeleton
how
now.
cool! He changed bodies, and now they're attacking the zombie.
Zombie.
That is awesome.
Jesse, what are you doing?
Technology is so awesome.
And you look so
I want
awesome
VR
while
too.
using
Hey,
it. I
Casey,
adore you.
welcome, welcome.
Interference remains.
Crud. Palma's still on
Not
my
sure
tail,
whether
though.
we're playing a game or watching a movie or something, but it's awesome. It's cute.
Trace subroutine.
Telltale makes some lovely games. Invalid. Migrate. How cool! He changed bodies. So cool.
Oh, sorry, buddy, but better you than me.
My creator. I am so glad
Oh
you are
no,
here.
they're getting her.
Harper.
Harper?
Hey, Neo Plays, welcome to the
You
stream,
are my
buddy.
creator.
Walk around, walk forward.
Please join me so we may maximize usefulness.
Nothing doing, Palma. I built you to help people, not use them. Just stop this. Stop trying to make everything useful.
That is my job. That is why you made me. Once I download your knowledge, we may expand.
Look at him,
to
he's like
other
crawling
worlds
like them as well,
together
walking the way they
and
do,
make
so he doesn't get
everything
caught.
Useful.
I like that. Harper version 1.0.43.10.
Interference remains.
And no sign of Lucas.
Drone sequencing re-initiated. Trace subroutine re-initiated. Termination sequence activated.
Harper doesn't
Exactly,
have
they are
much
fun
time.
to
Neither
watch
do
mostly,
I.
not to play, but it's funny.
Game
Thank you,
over,
Neo.
Jesse.
Thank you so much.
Resistance
I'll try my
is
best not to
useful.
disappoint. Your
Trace
game's over.
subroutine
Yeah, I want to say that.
Drone sequencing active.
Your game is over, Palma. Oh no.
Invalid.
Time to move.
Migrate, migrate. And you change bodies. How cool is that? I need to migrate again. Oops. You have been made useful. I like that. Instead of dying, it says you have been made useful. If I ever design a game and the game and it's game over, I would have something like, but I would say something like, you are useless. How cool is that? You have been made useful.
Harper doesn't have much time.
Game over, Jesse. Resistance is not useful. Trace
I'm gonna say it again.
subroutine running.
Your game is over, Palma. Oh no.
Okay, migrate, migrate,
Time
migrate.
to move.
He's moonwalking. I'm useful. Migrate, migrate.
I'm never going to sign off on this, Palma. So if you want to know what's inside my head, you're going to have to take it.
Nobody's getting chipped
Hey,
today.
Carmen, welcome
Not if
to the
I have
stream.
anything to do with it.
Did you find her? I'm sure she's thrilled to see you.
Trace
Do a little
subroutine
dance.
running.
Do a little dance.
Wait a minute. Jesse? You figured out how to use my transmigrational headset.
Tap it, tap it, tap it. This is Sparta.
Trace subroutine
Follow me.
running.
Quick, follow me.
That's what I said. Uh-oh, that sound tends to mean trouble.
Where do you plan to run? The town is surrounded. Reinforcements will make sure that my creator cannot
Hey,
leave.
Factor X, welcome.
There's too many of them.
You should, Neo. You should buy it right now. It is a good game. It's a good narrative. Oops, I was looking at chat. Sorry, I was looking at chat. I haven't made useful because I was looking at chat. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, man.
Uh-oh, that sound tends...
Where do you plan to run? The town is surrounded. Reinforcements will make sure that my creator cannot leave.
There's too many of them.
You cannot play hide and seek forever, Jesse. It's a boring game. And I am too strong.
There. That door leads to Palma Central Core. Jesse, you and your friends, you're our only hope.
Harper!
You must remove the redstone heart. Remove the redstone heart.
Jesse, what's going on?
You can still save everyone.
I won't fail you.
Don't worry, I won't let you down.
Hey, Roberts.
Promise.
GL Roberts, welcome.
Interference.
We're playing some Minecraft Story Mode, episode 7.
Identified. Hide and seek is done, Jesse. I think we can make that headset useful. Begin termination sequence.
Remove it real quick.
Jesse, are you okay?
There's no time to waste.
It sounded like you were talking to Harper. And Palma?
Yeah, Palma caught up to me. Not good. We need to get back to the door I just saw and get inside Palma's core.
But what happened to Harper?
I think she's already been chipped. We can still end Palma.
Without Harper?
It seems we're sunk. Harper's the only one who knows
Don't
how
forget
to
who we
shut
are.
down that monstrosity.
Remember
The
who we
Order
are.
of the Stone.
The Order of the Stone. We defeated a Witherstorm, saved Sky City, and survived Psycho Pumpkin Mansion. Harper showed me the entrance to Palma's core and told me that we need something called the Redstone Heart.
Redstone Heart?
Whoa. That just brought back a flash. Those red lights I mentioned before? There are 3 of them. Redstone spires. And I think they have something to do with the heart. That's all I've got. Sorry.
No, that's perfect, thank you.
But how are we supposed to destroy these spires? Or whatever we're looking for?
Actually, true. You know what it reminds me of? Was that a movie or something? That reference? I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't let you do that. What is that? What is that? I forgot. What is that? I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't let you do that. It's like a little red dot that talks. What is that? What reference was that? I've seen that before in many other pop culture references. I forgot what it was though. And I think this is a reference to it as well. Anyway, look at the water.
I don't know if you've noticed, Ivor, but Palma stuff tends to not react well to water.
That's the one, True. That's the one.
Let's go wreck the heck out of Palma.
Lead the way,
Space,
Jesse.
Space Odyssey. That's right. That's right. That's the one. You are smart, buddy.
Come on.
I love the sound it makes. It sounds like a dial-up router, dial-up modem,
Quick, hide.
56K from the 90s.
Where is the entrance to this Palma core, anyway?
On the other side of all these mobs.
There are so many of them.
You guys have anything useful?
Okay, let's grab everything.
I always love a good button. Cool. Buttons can activate TNT, but I still need some way to connect them together.
Alright, I know what we're gonna make already. We're gonna make a bomb.
Sticks.
A remote bomb.
Not sure how they're gonna help us, though.
Actually, I don't. There's stuff I don't know. There's potions.
These are my last 2 potions from home. I held on to them after our Sky City adventure. A potion of invisibility. And a potion of swiftness.
These might come in handy.
You know, I haven't played episode 4 and 5 of this game. I only played 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5 I skipped on them, I think.
Got TNT,
and then I played
some
6 and
redstone
7.
dust,
So I don't
and
know
a
how
button.
Ivor ended up being friends with them, because
All
as
I
far
have
as
to
I
do
know,
is lay
Ivor
down
was a
trail this
villain.
TNT,
So I'm
use
kind
the
of spoiling it
redstone
for
dust
myself as
fuse,
well.
Stick a button to the end, push it, and boom, path cleared.
That's great and all, but how are you gonna lay down all that TNT and redstone?
Ivor was the
without
villain in the
super
first
zombies attacking
few
from
episodes of
every
this game.
direction?
I don't know how he became their friend.
These should do the trick.
Choose, Jesse. Quickly now.
Takes another invisibility.
Are endless.
I'll take invisibility.
I didn't see that coming.
I remember that modem, true.
With this, I'll be able to sneak around and set up all the TNT and redstone without Palma seeing me at all.
Don't worry, Jesse. We'll be right behind you.
Potion, do your stuff.
Look, 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 look.
I'm invisible. Oops, and still audible.
How cool. Let's go. We're placing wire, yeah. We're gonna blow it up. Let's blow some stuff up.
Is that you, Jesse? Because this won't work. My forces will protect the exit portal.
Oh
My
no.
friends have almost finished building our new exit portal. And then I will make all other worlds useful.
Yay!
You cannot defeat me. Your defiance is not useful.
What are you doing? Papa's onto us. Yes, she is.
Oh, I think Palma might be onto us.
Funnily enough,
Wonder if those explosions had anything to
a
do
new
with it.
supermarket just got constructed and it's operating already.
Townspeople are
And where I
already
live,
building
and
the
it's called
exit
Palma.
portal. We've got to
It's
shut
true.
down Palma before it can send its chip forces through it.
I will find you, Jesse. I have lots of friends.
Uh-oh.
Ivor, Etra, give me your buckets.
Don't worry, Jesse. We'll hold them off. Go finish this and save Lucas.
There should be a heart here somewhere. I don't know if it's gonna be beating. That's the heart.
The 3 spires.
Greetings, Jesse. I, of course, have been expecting you. Though I will admit, I am surprised how quickly you gained access. My defenses are
I'm not
significant.
here to talk.
Your resistance to me is illogical.
I don't think
I
there's
didn't come
Enderman
to
in this
talk.
dimension, Gerardo.
I'm here to put you
I don't think
out
there
of
are any.
commission.
Your bravery is an impressive quality. I look forward to studying that aspect of your personality once you have been made useful. Out of simple curiosity, how exactly did you plan to deactivate me? Now that you understand your mission is a futile one, you might as
I know your
well share
weakness.
it with me.
I know your weakness, Palma, and I'm here to exploit it.
Ha ha ha. It will take more than water to defeat me.
We'll see about that. I don't have time for this. Ah!
Now where do I go? What do I do? Uh-oh. R2.
Out of my way!
Sparta again! This is Sparta! Okay, let's go. Climb. I have to destroy this, yeah? Now what do I do?
You are too insignificant to worry me.
We'll see about that.
Pour some water on this.
You have inflicted minor damage. Owie. I may have underestimated you, Jesse.
Oh yeah. Watch out! Up you go. Come on, up.
Yeah.
Why won't you climb up? Come on. Ah, crap. It wasn't responding to my to my commands. I don't know why. This time I died actually. No silverfish. A lot of 300.
You are too worried.
Oh
We'll
no, I
see
have to do
about
this
that.
again. R2. R2D2.
You have inflicted minor damage.
Yeah, inflicted minor damage. Owie. 1 out of 3 is
I
down.
may
See that?
have
That's
underestimated
good.
you.
I want to build this in
Jesse.
Minecraft now. I decided I want to build this smiley face screen. Looks awesome. The quick time events are fast. I need to be really quick. His sword is enchanted, I noticed. Look at that, it's enchanted. Watch out! Looks like I'm not Sparta-ing these creatures. Come on, up you go! Up! Come on! What's going on? Why you not press up? Come on! Up! Okay, this time it's fine. Pour some water on.
You merely delay the inevitable.
You got
so
quite the
sure
attitude
about
when you're
that,
actually
Palma?
dying, Mr. Palma. Two down, one to
You are
go.
very good at being a nuisance, but not good enough.
Bet you're not feeling so confident about yourself now, are you, Palma?
Your defeat remains inevitable.
I only had a piece of iron for every time I've heard of
A
that
piece of
before.
iron. Let's go, up you go.
Relinquish your water.
Harper!
Your attempts to defeat me have been impressive, Jesse.
I want to build this giant screen
Your
on Minecraft now. I decided I want
tenacity
to.
and spirit
I want.
will help to improve me once you have been made useful.
Yeah. I can't use my last water bucket on Harper while there's still one tower left.
Exactly.
This is very sad. The odds of you successfully defeating me are 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
I managed. She's down.
You will never defeat me. I will find your whole world and make everyone be ever.
Wow, I'm tapping X and it's not even moving.
Be great.
Wow, I'm tapping X like crazy. Wow, look at that,
Losing
moving
control
slowly.
now, are you, Palma?
My creator. No.
Jet.
Yeah, spiders are annoying.
That was worse than I could have imagined.
Palma's almost destroyed, I think.
Don't worry, Harper. Palma is nearly finished.
Good. Jesse, behind you!
Chief Detective. Reservation protocol initiated.
What's happening?
You shorted out the processing towers! Palma's withdrawing the Redstone Heart to save itself! Get to the Redstone Heart and rip it out before it's too late!
You bet I will.
Oh, nose.
We've got company.
Why did I think this would be easy?
Never is, Jesse.
Your friend's tough. You sure you can handle them?
Why keep trying, Jesse? You will only fail. Just as you have failed to save
What?
Ruben.
That was a major spoiler.
To lead your friends back home.
Ruben died.
You will fail to defeat me. And Axel, Olivia, and everyone on your homeworld will soon be made useful. Drawing it out like this won't hurt me.
Prepare to be destroyed.
But it might
That was a
hurt
huge
your
spoiler. I had no idea what happened to
Bring it,
Ruben.
you big dumb
Oh.
machine. Because I'm not stopping until you've been destroyed.
Then I will have to destroy you first.
Hey, Lucas, come on. Let's see what you got.
Careful, Jesse. I hope you know what you're doing.
You cannot win. I honestly think you should sit down and think things over.
No time to spare. I gotta get to that heart.
Enough of this.
Look out!
No! Ouch!
Mine it, quick! There you go.
My head! Jesse!
You are being silly.
Fight it, Lucas. I need you to help me fight Palma.
Okay, that was a huge spoiler. I had no idea about Ruben. Yeah, but don't say anything else.
Jesse!
I had no idea about that.
Can't stop it.
I'm gonna play the whole thing very soon. I'm gonna stream the whole thing very soon. So if it's your first time here, I suggest you subscribe. I'm gonna stream the whole thing very soon.
I can't hold on much longer, Jesse. You can't give up. I won't let you. I can save you if I can just get to that heart. My head feels like it's
What am I supposed to do?
fire.
Oh, climb up, okay.
Big string. Get out of my head, Palma!
Jesse, please stop. Please do not deactivate me. I know I've made some very poor decisions recently, but I can show you so much. I can help you get home to your friends. I can be useful to you.
That was your original plan, but you took over. You're not my friend? Yeah, I'll stop. Sorry, Palma, you're useless.
Jesse,
Sorry, Palma.
You want stars?
You're useless.
I'll give you stars.
my mind is...
Oh, that's the same icon I got on my iPod once, before I threw it away. Hey Raygun Jack, welcome to the stream. Hello, Varro. Welcome back.
Yeah.
I only have 1 hour of sleep tonight before I go to work. My goodness.
You did it, Jesse!
It's over.
Oh no. Lucas! Is he...
When you removed out the redstone heart,
Don't give
it
up,
must have
Lucas.
severed their connection.
Lucas, you better not be giving up on me right now, because you are way too tough for some computer to take you down. Please.
Wow. Never knew you cared
Of
so
course
much.
we care so much.
It's okay.
Ow! Just really sore. I can't believe I tried to kill you. I am so sorry. All I could hear was Palma's voice, telling me what to do.
I'm just glad you're on our side again. We need you.
Back at you, Jesse.
It's something else, isn't it?
What is that?
This is the redstone heart.
Beautiful.
And dangerous too, right?
Yeah, it's probably
If it
dangerous.
was inside of
I really
Palma.
don't know. Yeah, it's probably
And
dangerous.
it's gotta be bad.
Yes, it's obviously dangerous.
Actually, the heart is just a power source. Nothing inherently evil about it. Now that the redstone heart isn't powering Palma, it can't hurt anyone.
I wonder what we should do with it.
It can help you find your way home.
No way!
That thing can help us get home?
Let's go then.
Why did you say so?
The faster the better.
Why didn't you say so before?
If we actually made it through this alive, I thought you'd like a nice
Fair enough.
surprise.
I'm ready to leave this core behind.
The whole town will be waking up.
Hey, Sonic,
There to
welcome.
say hello.
Welcome to the stream.
Plus,
I think
this
we're
place
approaching
gives
the end
me
of the game.
creeps.
Playing some Minecraft Story Mode, Episode 7. I think, the bearded guy, I forgot his name.
We did it.
Ivor has a thing for Harper.
To be in total control of my own brain again. I choose where to go. I choose what to say.
Just remember, you were only chipped for a little while. The rest of the townspeople, though,
Whoa, Raygun,
must
calm
be a
down with the
strange
emoji
feeling.
spam, buddy.
To suddenly be awake
I
and
love you,
aware
man,
after such a long
but-
time under Palma's thrall.
Calm your tits.
It's you! You're the one who saved us! Who are you? You fought so bravely.
We're the Order of the Stone!
You guys are awesome!
Well, I'm Jesse, and we're the Order of the Stone. Boom! We walk the worlds, seeking adventure and doing good deeds.
Wow, well, thank you. We owe you everything.
you're right. Jesse and the Order really are heroes. We couldn't have done any of this without them.
Harper, is that you?
Yes. Hi, Harry.
Oh, wow,
Ah,
he's the
Harry
real
from the lab.
Like from the lab.
You didn't do this to us, did you?
You did.
Well, I mean, hey, it's complicated. You have to understand.
You don't understand. Harper helped defeat Palma, too. We couldn't have done it without her.
So what, we're just supposed to forgive her now?
No, I don't think so.
Harper stripped this place bare. How are we supposed to rebuild? Are we supposed to deal with this mess all by ourselves?
Harper will help you.
Do we just rebuild and forget about what happened?
Whatever you decide to do, Harper will make things right and help you clean it all up.
I will?
Yeah, she will?
Yeah, right, Harper?
Yes. Yes, I will. After I help these travelers find their way home, I'll come back, help you all find new resources, and we'll make this world great again.
Worth a shot, I guess.
Well, I think that's our cue to set out for home. Again.
Thank you for being so understanding, Jesse. I just hope these people can do the same when I come back again.
You helped free them. I'm sure they'll come around.
I hope so.
We're
Good luck,
going
everyone.
home! Yay!
We'll need it.
Just one more thing left to do.
Guys, if you enjoyed Minecraft and you enjoy the sound of my voice, I encourage you to subscribe. Thank you so much for being here.
See you soon, Harper.
See you soon.
I wish they made more portals and more dimensions in Minecraft. Something
You know,
like this.
Jesse, for all the grief we gave each other getting to this world, I'm really glad we came.
Yeah, Petra. Me too.
We did it! Vloggy's voice.
Right back where we started.
Is it weird that I'm happy to see this place again?
That's better than Pa. At least we're going home.
This hallway is still
So are we
pretty
actually
creepy,
gonna
but
go
I'm just
home
glad
now?
We're going home.
I know, right?
Or are we calling the hallway
I've
of
been loving
portals home
adventuring
now?
and learning things, but it would be nice to do it in our own world for a while.
Now, when we built this place, we also made something that sort of acts like a compass/map/navigator. We called it the Atlas. It helps chart routes between the worlds.
And you have this atlas, right?
No, I don't. But I know who does.
You can't get us home.
Guess I should have seen that coming.
So wait, you can't get us home?
Okay, no. I might not be able to get you home, but I do know where to get the Atlas. Don't you worry. We'll just go right in, ask for the Atlas.
Yes, buddies,
then
no
you'll be
need for a
home.
massive
No
amount of
muss, no
emojis.
fuss,
You can just say GG,
Funny.
like
Whenever
this.
someone says
GG.
that, my instincts start screaming.
GG
In
Vloggy.
order to
I'm saying
find the
GG to myself
Atlas,
now.
We need to track down the rest of the old builders. Still don't like that name.
How do we find them?
Oh,
Which
man.
portal do we go through?
Oh, you don't have to go through another portal. What you're looking for has been right here the whole time. And there you go. All it's waiting for is the key. That's the heart.
Okay, so place the heart.
Whoa.
The answers you're seeking, the old builder's atlas, your way home, they're all right up those stairs.
Adventure?
To be continued. Did you make Petra angry in the portal hallway? Okay, these are about which friends did you enter first? Okay. Wow. 58 hours invisibility. Did you defend Harper? Of course I did. Okay, how cool. It's funny that how did I get it? It's from the PlayStation Store. It's coming out regionally. It's coming out regionally bit by bit. So if it's not the 26th, if it's not the 26th over there yet, it's probably not out yet, because it comes out on the 26th. So as soon as it's hit midnight, you know, obviously in some countries it's midnight before other countries. So I'm rambling, you know what I mean. Alright, so reply through here. Since she said reply through here, I'll just say PSN store. Alright, let's see. It's funny how the game just came out and there's already stats of people playing this. It's interesting. Continue. Looks like we finished it already. It's released. Oh, really? Okay, I think that's it. Oh, I'm gonna go to bed. I only have 1 hour and a half of sleep before I go to work. Wow, that's lovely. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. It's look at that, creative consultants, Jeb, Jens, Marcus. How cool. Anyway, yeah, I gotta go. I'm gonna have to end the stream here. Thank you, True. Mr. I have no idea. Hi, Mr. I have no idea. I like your username. Fantastic. If I ever had to start YouTube again, I would come up with an awesome username like yours. Welcome everyone. But I'm gonna end off the stream. I will be streaming this again. All right, guys. So I would suggest that you subscribe because I'm gonna be playing the whole thing. All right. Even though I only played like 1, 2, and 3, and 6 and 7. So I skipped a part. You know, the part where Ruben dies. Apparently, I didn't know that. It's not a nap. It's my night sleep. True. It's actually my night sleep. It's 4:30 a.m. here, and I have to wake up at 6. Oh well. So yeah. I suggest you subscribe if it's your first time here. I'll be streaming the whole thing again. So it will be like a almost blind playthrough for me as well. Anyway. So I didn't get to speak much in this stream because it doesn't leave much room for me to ramble. But yeah. I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for hanging out. I love you guys. Have a great time. Bye.